Two incredibly simple words can have a surprisingly powerful effect. Those words are I want. Learn to say them with confidence. Don't hold yourself back when it comes to expressing what you need or standing up for yourself. This small change in the way you communicate can immediately show others that you're dependable, decisive, and clear about what you expect from life. But here's where things become really interesting. There are two simple words that can change the way women respond to you almost instantly. It may sound incredibly basic, but stay with me because the idea behind it is powerful. Today, I'm going to explain how one short phrase can dramatically influence the way people see you. When it's spoken with calm confidence and genuine intention, this phrase can carry surprising influence. And the best part? I'm not simply going to tell you about it. I'll show you exactly how to use it in everyday situations so you can begin applying it immediately. Fire. But before we get into it, I have a quick favor to ask. If you're enjoying this kind of content, take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It may seem like a tiny action, but those clicks help this type of valuable content reach more people. You're not only supporting the channel, you're also helping other men discover ideas that can genuinely help them improve themselves and their relationships. So can I count on you for that like? Perfect. Let's begin. Light bulb, where most men go wrong. This is where many men make one of their biggest mistakes. They become too focused on pleasing others. They hesitate to say what they actually want, and they avoid taking the initiative. Phrases such as, "We can do whatever you want," or, "I don't know, what do you feel like doing?" may sound respectful and easygoing, but sometimes they communicate uncertainty instead. The problem is that when a man becomes excessively agreeable, he can unintentionally make himself appear less confident. Rather than helping guide the situation, he simply waits for someone else to decide what happens next. And that usually isn't the strongest impression to create. Gemstone. The secret is two words. I want. Here's the key idea. Saying I want changes the way you communicate. It can express confidence, direction, and purpose. It tells people that you're comfortable acknowledging your own preferences instead of constantly waiting for someone else to choose for you. It's more than just two words. It's a clear expression of intention. And the ability to lead with confidence can be one of the most appealing qualities a man develops. Direction. How to use I want in real life. Example number 1, inviting her out. A lot of men might say something like, "Maybe we could hang out sometime if you're free." There's nothing inherently wrong with the sentence, but it can sound hesitant and uncertain. Instead, you could say, "I want to take you out to dinner this Friday." Notice the difference. You're communicating your intention clearly and taking initiative, rather than endlessly waiting for the other person to decide. The tone is straightforward, confident, and natural. When you communicate this way without being pushy, it can create a much stronger impression. Example number 2, starting a conversation. Instead of getting trapped in endless, meaningless small talk, you can be more direct. Try saying, "I want to get to know you better. Let's grab a coffee this week." It's clear, honest, and straightforward. You're not hiding your intentions behind vague language. You're simply communicating what you'd like. That kind of genuine confidence can stand out because many people are afraid to be direct about what they actually want. Speech bubble. And if you're already in a relationship, the phrase "I want" doesn't suddenly become irrelevant. In fact, clear communication can become even more important. Instead of constantly saying, "I don't mind," or "whatever you prefer," you could say, "I want to spend the weekend with you. Let's plan something fun." See what changes? You're expressing that you genuinely value spending time with her, while also showing that you're willing to take initiative. At the same time, you're not demanding that everything happen your way. You're simply making your preference known. That creates a healthier balance between taking initiative and remaining considerate of the other person's needs. Balance scale. Confidence is not arrogant. Remember, being confident doesn't mean becoming rude, controlling, or disrespectful. How you deliver the words matters just as much as the words themselves. If she's busy or has a different suggestion, don't try to force your plan. You can simply respond with something like, "No problem, how about Saturday instead?" That's where the balance comes in. You're being assertive,